Hello guys, this is Roach Crops TV, and today I'm here to talk, talk to you about Opera News HUD. I recently posted a video about it, how you can make money with it, but I didn't show you how you can go viral with the Opera News HUD for you to get clicks, and without the clicks, you won't earn any money. This is how the Opera News operates. The more clicks you get, or the more your content reach a larger audience, the higher your chances of getting many people to click on your article. So let's go to the Opera News HUD site. Let's come here. Sorry, Opera News HUD. I already have an account there. Yeah, I was blogging way back 2019. It was fun, but now I'm busy doing my YouTube videos and I'm also schooling. So it's quite, the money they give you is let me say, it's good for, let me say, your TNT and your feeding, let me say, your 1 week feeding money, I can say. So I'll log in with my email. So how you get viral? Oh, sorry, or how you go viral? When you are writing your article, for instance, my article I wrote latest, let me see. I have many articles. Let me go to my library. See, your articles can be rejected. And look at here. See, my article. I have a lot of articles. And the thing is, your articles can be rejected. Make sure that you have the appropriate tools. All you need to do. Oh, sorry, guys. All you need to do is just have the let me say some tools for you to change words, because there are many categories you can choose. Sometimes you can choose sports, sometimes you can choose let me say relationship. You can blog about relationship, and the easiest one is sports news. All you need to do is go to any sports website, pick 3 or 2 sports websites that you not pick all the information. You pick some and you go to your notepad and jot it there. After that, you go to a q.com. I think it's q.com, so that you change the words. After you change the words, the article will be yours. So this like this. You see, I was writing about constitutional law. So all you need to do is just put in some headings here. Constitutional laws. So you need to put in pictures. If you want to put in pictures, you just come here, click on here, and the picture will be inserted in any place you want. And if you want to put in links to, you just click here. So after After you finish doing your article, you click next. You add your thumbnail. Thumbnail is important. The pictures you inserted in is your thumbnail. So you click, if you place 3 or 4 pictures in, you choose one for your thumbnail. So after that, if your article is original, if the article is yours, you click original. After you rewrite the article is for you, so you click on the original. So you write here Opera News. I'm sharing this with you for you to go viral. Opera News hub. Opera News hub. Opera News hub. Space. And the topic, if you are doing sports, you put in sports news. So after you do this, then you submit it, and they will check if the article is yours or not. If the article is good to be published, they will publish it. So after they publish it, let me draft it. So after you publish it, you want to check your monetization. So you come here and check your daily, how much you earned. So the thing about Opera News is they will show you how you earned every day. So every day, if you earn 20 cedis per day, per how your article get to people for them to click on it, the minute they spent on your article reading it, if they go and come back to just view it again, you earn money because your article is interesting. So make sure that you pick a topic that is interesting. You click on the monetization. So you see the past years, the money they paid me when I stopped, this is the amount. So it has been a long time since I wrote an article. I've been busy, but I will try and be doing, be writing articles. So it's good. You can use your bank account. If you don't have a bank account, if you have mobile money account, you can use it. Because at that time I didn't have a bank account, so I used my mobile money. So every month they will send my money through my mobile money, and I'm good to go. It helps me survive that time. It's a very good platform for you to earn money. So thank you guys. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I'll bring a new update if you are interested in this topic, or how you can go viral, or how you can earn more money with this Opera News Hub. Just comment down below. Comment, and I'll do a video on it, how you can earn more money with it. Thank you guys.